What is up? Luis here, and welcome to my stream. As you can see, I have a mic now. I got my keyboards, got my chair, green screen. Everything is set up now to be streaming in a good way. So, yeah, this is the stream, and yeah. So just for context, the difference between the last two streams and what we see here is that I actually made my own user account. And the purpose of it is just so like every time I stream, I just have this user account and all that jazz. Actually, I'm gonna change the wallpaper real quick. I don't like this. What we could do for Antarctica's lights, maybe. See what we can get. This one looks cool. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, this is my as you can see, I've got my new Hacker News. I've got a Reddit account here. I've got a X.com. Actually, I haven't even logged into this one. Doesn't matter. Point is, we got all our stuff. We have nothing here in terms of our dot files, so that's always good. And that means that we're going to be setting a lot of things up today. We're going to set up Rust. We're going to set up a lot of things. But yeah, so let's go ahead and start. So I also even have my own Obsidian. So this has my own vault, and yeah, so advent of code. Actually, the plan right here is to actually more than anything do the Rust book. That's gonna be the main thing I'm gonna do. And so I'm gonna do Rust book, but with a twist. So instead of actually going ahead and doing this, right? I'm gonna go ahead and do the interactive version. That's the one I want to do. Um, I'm gonna go ahead here and say Rust book. Okay, and this is gonna be, yeah, my attempt at learning Rust. We're gonna do the whole book. Why not? Because I want to do the whole book. An experiment by Brown University. Well, 2 ways interactive quizzes at the end of each section are added during each sections. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I want to participate. So, quizzes, we can start. Choose the wrong answer. Say incorrect. Retry. 2. Correct. CPM. Bruh. That's a good one. That's a good one. Trying to bring Bertrand Russell into this. Anyway, let's see. Highlighting. Oh, wait, what the hell? Oh, that's sick. Oh, you could highlight. Highlighting tests. Oh, that is lit. Okay. Chapter on ownership. All right. That's good. That's good. That's good. Acknowledgements. Cool. Okay. The Rust programming language assumes you're using Rust 1.67 we actually don't have Rust on the system. None of that stuff. So we're going to do brew install Rust. Oh, we don't even have homebrew. That's how new this stuff is. So let's go ahead here. That's how new this account is. Enter. Okay, sick. So yeah, while this installs, well, it's been installed. That's good. Now let's do brew Rust. This should also be elevated. It's just because, okay, well, fair. Brew install Rust. What? Oh, I need to. Okay, I guess I need to. That, and then I need to do. This. Okay. Now what if I do brew install Rust? It'll work. I already had Rust. I already had Rust. Ugh, it's just because. Okay. I think it's just because I didn't have fucking. I didn't have that in my path. So I think now I have 2 instances of brew. That is so dumb. Anyway. So I already have Rust. Or later. So let's see what version we actually have. So we have team. Yeah. We have everything we need. Cargo V 1.76. Okay. Oh, well, apparently it's Rust C version. Rust C version 1.76. Okay. HTML format is offline. Okay. See forward. Empowerment. It empowers you. Breaks down these barriers. Okay. Okay, should I read this out loud? Let's ask ChatGPT. And yes, I did log in before. Alright. If I am streaming reading a technical book, should I read this out loud? I'm reading it out loud for you guys. Legal. Fuck off. I'll just read it out loud. Rust breaks down these barriers by eliminating the old pitfalls and providing a friendly, polished set of tools to help you along the way. Programmers who need to dip down lower level control can do so with Rust. Okay, sorry, I don't want to read this shit out loud. It's just... Okay, so it's for low-level stuff. Parallelism in Rust is a relatively low-risk operation. Okay, low risk, maybe not low difficulty. CLI apps, web servers, Doubt. Well, not Doubt, but I heard Go is better for that. But yeah, I don't want to fucking write Go. If there's one thing is that, I mean, I was doing some advent of code, and I got around doing critique how bad this is, but check this out. So I got like my main, which has a file scanner, main, parse, if day equals 1. Like, it's just ugly, dude. It's just so ugly. And then look at this. So I solved the first one, solved the second. It's just like straightforward, but just like, ugh, I don't know. And then the tests, like all that jazz. I don't know. And then compare it to, I just didn't enjoy it. I'm just gonna be honest. I didn't really enjoy it. And then meanwhile, it's just, in my opinion, it's just a lot cleaner. Like the match, I just love the match statement. But I also just started, so I don't know. We'll learn a bit. One domain other. Okay, got the introduction. Okay, teams of developers. Sure. Low-level code is yet to subtle bugs. Yeah, I can see how this would be just such a, like, if you have a team of developers, right? Say you got 100 developers. Oh, Orugi, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it, man. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, if you have a team of like 15, 20 developers and like something just compiles in Rust, you can be assured that that it'll work. And I guess is like better for like performance systems. Um Not so much if you've got like, you got a software as a service online where, customers are always changing and like changing what they want. So I don't know if that would be the use for that, but why not? So what else? Teams of developers. Oh, I read that already. Students. I think I'm more here, honestly. Companies, small, big, blah, blah, blah. Major parts. I didn't know that. Open source, cool. Speed and stability. Sure, yeah. Yeah, okay. Have you been, Arugi? Everything's chilling? Okay, how to use the book. I frankly do not care. Okay, wait. How to install Rust. We're gonna do all of this stuff, Number guessing game. Place 3. Okay. I don't know if like entire chapters 2 syntax is totally necessary, but we'll try to go through this book quickly. I don't want to spend all the time in the world. I didn't know the crab's name was Ferris either. This is really cool. Okay, I'm looking forward to that. Low-level multi-threaded web server. Sure, yeah. Would be cool. Okay. We'll do it in order. This code panics. This code does not. Okay. 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 So start with installation. We have Rust. Installing Rust up. What is Rust up? Rust up. Okay, let's check the other installation options. Fuck it. I'm just gonna stick to homebrew. Rust up. We don't need rust up. Rust C. Okay. Start the quiz. What is the name? Rust up. Is that it? Okay, cool. Hello world. Let's see. Okay, dear projects. I will actually let me bump up the visibility on this. What's sexier? This is sexier. All right, so we're here. Dev. We do have Git. MK dir Rust book. Oh, I don't even have. Okay, CD Rust book. Get init. Cool. Here, Rust book to Rust book. Do I need to do cargo init or something like that? Nvim hello world dot rust. So we'll do fn main print line hello world, like that, right? Can't type today. Oh my days, what the hell? Okay, hello world. Oh, whoops. Let's see main.rs. Didn't. Oh. Cool. Vim.git ignore. Git ignore all files without extension. Okay. Cool. That's not what we want. So star not star dot star. What the fuck is happening? And not slash star slash. Okay. Get status. Get add. Get ignore. Get status. Create. Get ignore. Get add dot. Get commit dash. Oh, do we have lazy git? We do have lazy git. Okay. So I'm gonna say create hello world. We don't really have anywhere to go upstream to. Okay. Okay. Hello world. Cool. Yeah, this is like C++. So main function is special. It's always the first code. There are parameters, function body. Okay. Rust FMT. Yeah. Rust macro. Okay. Okay. Didn't know print line was a macro. Yep. I guess not returns, but yeah. Okay. Dot slash main. Yeah, you're just running the binary. Okay, let's see it. Should contain main. Okay, question 2. You have the following program in a hello.rs. Sweet. Okay, hello cargo. Cargo's Rust build system. Rustations. I don't know if that's a good name. Okay. So we're going to use cargo. That makes sense. Mm-hmm. Actually, rm-rf Rust book. Let's do that. Cargo new Rust book. Okay, Rust book. And git status. Git log. Git add dot git ignore. Let's see what the git nvim dot git ignore. Okay. Git status. Let's use lazy git. Okay, let's just do cargo new Rust book. Okay. We should set up NeoVim at some point, but it doesn't matter. File name cargo. Okay. Let's see what cargo.toml does. Rust book. Okay. Tom's obvious minimal language. Wow. I did not know that was is it really made by a dude named Tom? Okay. Probably is. Okay. Name, version, edition. I'm wondering, is the edition just like what edition of Rust you have? Appendix E. Okay. Okay, so they're just bigger. Okay. Let's take a look. Cargo expects your source files to live in the src directory. Cool. Convert into. Oh, sorry. Cargo build. Oh, it's inside target debug. So if I do cargo build, then I can just as target debug rustbook. Okay. Cargo run. Yeah, I agree. Okay, yeah, that's a lot better. What does cargo check do again? Oh, to make sure it compiles. Okay. Okay, I'm interested in knowing why Rust book. Okay. So let's do chapter 1. Let's start off with our question. Why is cargo check so much faster than cargo run slash cargo build? Yeah, why is cargo check so much faster? Is it just like you're just running through the borrow check and you're not actually compiling? I'm not actually sure. We'll follow that up. Okay. Dash dash release. Compile it with optimizations. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I guess doing cargo build without the release would have also a bunch of compiler flags for debugging, which you don't get in the actual release. That's what I assume. So let's see. Cargo is a convention. Mm-hmm. Get clone CD cargo build. Okay, sick. Yeah, it does not do that. Excuse me. Oh, what? Wait. Oh, is not true. Cargo run. What? Really? I know it builds the project. What? It actually does do that? Cargo run does execute it. Oh, I guess it doesn't do that. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. I guess it does build. Wait, let's check this out. Uh, RM target debug Rustbook. There's also .d. Let's do cargo run. CDS. Sorry, target debug. Hey, I didn't know that. Okay, cool. Okay. Programming a guessing game. Setting up a new project. I'll just create a new one. Not create a new project, but nvim. Nvim. Dude, is this bash? Sorry guys, I'm going to just cp.zsh rc into zsh rc. C- what? What is going on, man? Wow. Oh, I remember now. It's a sim link. Ah, whatever. I don't care. I was gonna try to. I should do this on my own. I don't think it's worthy of the stream. But anyway. Nvim guessing game.rust should be use stdio. Then we create main. What else? Print line. Guess the number. Please input the guess. Please input the guess. Actually, why don't I just copy this fucking thing? I think it'd be a lot easier if I just did that, no? A lot simpler this way. How are you doing, Neg Vorsa? I needed to say that in my head to make sure I wasn't, about to get banned. How are you, man? Everything chill? Welcome to a very mundane stream. I am totally new to Rust, so I'm doing the book. It's pretty boring, but I'm just trying to learn, and yeah, I'm just streaming because it forces me to do this as opposed to like fuck around and do other stuff that isn't as productive, I guess. But has it been a good day for you, or what's in your mind? You a big footy guy by any chance? Yeah, cool, man. Hell yeah. um, let's see. Yeah. Well, hope you're having a good time. Um, yeah, feel free to chill or not. I don't blame you if you don't want to stay. But I'm also super down to have a conversation if you're up for it. So yeah. Okay. So stdio. Prelude. Dude, I ate what did I just eat? I ate some chicken. Still stuck between my teeth. So annoying. So stdio. Let's see. Yeah, main is the main entry point. SCD hybrid to give you features including the ability to accept user input. So you print this, print that. Mute guess equals a new string. Let Lang before Rust. Oh, what am I currently programming? Well, my job requires me to do C++ and Python. But yeah, in college I did some Java. I did some Haskell, funny enough. Um I've done some Prolog just because I took a functional programming class. I did assembly, but that's not really a language. Um, so like classic CS degree stuff, and then my job is Python and C++. I was debating whether to learn Go or Rust, but I figured, fuck it, dude. I might as well just hop onto the train. Ever since the White House was like, y'all need to stop writing C++, you know, the White House is the ultimate source of all truth, as we all know. So, yeah, you know, it's Obama tells you, young man, you better learn some Rust. I'll do it. Are you a big Rust guy then? Neg Vorsa. Let me get some water real quick. I'll be back in 3 seconds. Whew. Gotta replenish, you know what I mean? You will wait Zig and stay with C. I heard really good things about Zig. Actually, now that you're here, I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Um, I also have written C, um, and I understand that. Well, C is very easy to learn, right? All you have to learn is like memmalloc free, and then the control flow statements, and then the structs and pointers, and then that's it. And it's like nice, you know. And I guess that's like what people were trying to. People really like C for those purposes. At least for my job, I work in sort of like financial systems. So C, like, I don't know. They You don't really use C, I guess, because it would be a little hard to describe objects, I guess. But C++ is a shit fuckery, beyond belief. What is it that Zig is better at than C? Or like, what is it that makes it better than C? Is it also like, because I've heard that Zig is like the simplicity of C plus some memory safety? Is that true? Like, is it a borrow checker or like what is it? Um, I don't really know Zig too well. What I will say is I know people use Zig a lot, even if they don't program in Zig, because of something to do with like I know Zig is very interoperable with C, and so like I don't know, people use something about Zig, something about the compiler, whatever it is that they use, um, with their C code bases. So I don't know, but hey, Zig is looks pretty interesting, um, It looks like it's not another hype language. So I'd love to get your input on that. Yeah, and who knows? So I guess you're a very low level programmer, huh? If you stick with C. C is pretty fucking fire though, I will say. MCU. Marvel Cinematic Universe? I don't understand. Oh, okay, let's see. Microcontroller. Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. Cool, man. That's fucking sick. That is pretty fire. Yeah, I guess I can see why you're a C man. Um yeah. Huh. So what is it about Zig though? Actually, why Zig over C? I can just look this up. Let's see. So it has its own build system. I guess that's what they use it. No macros, good error handling, easy to read, great interface with C, cross compilation. Is Zig memory safe? Hmm. So it's not memory safe. Okay. I didn't know that. But yeah, I guess it's overrated in many senses, right? Like you don't need like maybe it's a good thing, but I don't know. I heard again, I'm totally new to Rust, but I heard making linked lists in Rust is like just a huge mind fuck. So, yeah. I don't know. What is that frustrates you about Rust? Is it the borrow checker is just like fucking doing some mental gymnastics like like what is going on? Or you just like don't like it? Sorry, in the meantime I'm gonna try to keep reading this, but this is uh this is interesting. I don't know anything about Zig, so I'd like to yeah, if you got any like cool stuff that you don't mind sharing, I'd love to see it, you know? Like I think that'd be pretty cool. First person that like popped up to the stream last week showed me their stuff. It was pretty cool. Oh. Oh really? So it'll just randomly like insert shit? Are you talking about this at a like Like on the assembly level? Because like one thing about C, maybe this is not true anymore with how optimized compilers are, but like I don't know, you know about this way more than I do because you do microcontrollers. But C is very nice because you can write lines of code in C and you'll have a very good idea as to how it looks like in assembly. Is that what you mean by like Rust just adds random stuff? Or is it like whatever it is that you end up programming have no when you say generated, what are you talking about like once you compile C? I don't understand reasoning about generated code. I don't understand the word generated in this context. And I'm sorry if this is a very dumb question. It's not like I finished college like last year, man, and I've only been working for. Okay, yeah, okay. I see what you mean, yeah. Yeah, I guess C is very good for that in general. C is very good for that for assembly. Yeah. Um yeah, maybe Rust. Yeah, I guess that makes sense though cuz like Rust is supposed to guarantee you memory safety, supposed to. And so like in the process of doing that, maybe it just adds a bunch of stuff that you just have no idea. Um that's what I think, right? There wouldn't be any other reason. So wait, when you say you use Zig, do you say you actually write Zig or do you use the Zig build system for your C code? Yeah, this is something I'm uh really, there's no support for Zig in many microcontrollers. What kind of microcontrollers uh do you use? Like just a bunch of Arduinos and stuff? Arduino definitely STM8s. Hmm. Let's check this. CH582F. Interesting. Interesting. Text. What is this? WCH? So, like, do they only support C then? I don't understand. Like, I'm not very familiar with microcontrollers in general. Um, huh. Yeah, fuck. Sorry, I just got a text from someone I didn't expect. Uh, so can you only program in C in this? Or like are you just feeding these microcontrollers like executable binaries that run your code? I mean, I don't really quite understand microcontrollers fully. Uh yeah. I have funnily enough, I actually own an FPGA, but I've never used it. But yeah. Yeah. Give me 2 minutes. Sorry, I gotta go to the bathroom. Sorry about that. But yeah, I wanna know. I will miss a lot of fun if I don't play with MCUs. Yeah, dude, maybe you're right. Maybe it's time to break out of this software bounds, man. Maybe one day. But yeah, I don't know. I have a few Raspberry Pis lying around, but I only use them for like software projects. As in, I just treat Raspberry Pis as like other computers that would run software and like would do software things and not actually interact with physical components. I've done, I guess, laboratory microcontroller work in university, but that was for like one class. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's worth checking out. Yeah. What are examples of things you do with microcontrollers? Excuse me. Sorry. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Hell yeah, man. Cool. I'm gonna hit back with a cool emoji. Yeah, buddy. So you doing any cool projects? It's this sort of stuff, or is that just like your job? What the fuck is? Dude, I've never seen that emote in my life, man. What? What? Can my stream even process that hush? What the fuck? What is that, mate? I've got my own shush emoji. Check this out. Now you hear me? That's the shush in action. Cool. Do I have anything cool? I don't have sunglasses, man. I can't be cool like you, bro. Shit. Ugh. Cool. Luke. Oh, look. Ohio Standard read line. What did you learn until now? Honestly, not much. I mean, the only thing I learned was that double colon thing is called an associated function. And I guess I'm gonna learn what. And I didn't know print lines were macros, but honestly, man, right now, not much. I should like just speed run through this. I'll probably speed run through this because I don't need to read all of this stuff. Okay, read line. Okay, yeah. I guess it makes sense. You'd put an ampersand because you want the reference. Yeah. I've heard in Rust you want to use clone as much as possible, so you don't have to fight the borrow checker. Yep, I have. I have run cargo in it, so this is my cargo in it. Here it is. It's called the Rust book, and so that's what. Already got the cargo stuff, all that jazz has been taken care of. Actually, I'll do this here. I'll do this here, and this goes here. Cool. References are immutable by default. So you can make mutatable references. That is very interesting. Sounds like disaster to be made. Part of this method expect. Okay, let's check this out. SRC guessing game. Okay, expect failed to read line. Read line puts. Result is an enumeration. What is result? Yeah. I totally. Good choice. Const by default. Yeah. Yeah, I totally agree with you. That's one thing I really like about I really fuck with is do you have to specify mutation? In C++, oh my god, man. Like because our systems when we do the stuff, when we write our like programs and everything, um to make sure they're performant, we have to do const references all the time. Like const reference, and then that way, like we're trying to be as fast as possible. But if you like forget, you get a performance hit for that, right? And it still works. Um, but yeah, I agree with you. I feel like mutations should be explicit. I totally agree with you. I think that's a good thing. I really do like that. Const by default. Totally on board with that 100%. I think that is great. So is an enum. Just so I understand, I know what an enum is. Enum is this or that. Okay. Okay or error. Yeah. Results has an expect method. Okay. So expect is display the message you passed in the argument. Okay. Okay. Printing values with printline placeholders. You guessed guess. Okay. Crap. I need to. Sorry. I need to make a highlight real quick. Printing the result of an expression. Okay, yeah, that's like C. But you'd put like %D or something. Okay, cool. Cargo run. Okay, this should not be main. This should be guessing game. And then, oh my days. mvm src main.rust. What we'll do is we'll use guessing game. What was it that I did to import? There was something I did here. Sorry, I'm gonna cheat here. I'm gonna cheat here just so I can fn main mod. It's mod. Okay, mod guessing game. Print line. Oh, sorry. We could do guessing game. Actually, guessing underscore game. Guessing game. And then maybe that should work. Cargo run. Oh, okay. Mvim source / guessing game. That should be a public. Helix editor. Yeah, maybe. I mean, at my job I use Emacs. Helix. I've heard good things about Helix. Helix editor. Does it have? It's just I I would be down if and only if it has Vim key bindings. Does Helix have Vim key binds? I'm gonna hit a thumbs down on that. Yeah, it's just yeah, it's just I'm too used to Vim key bindings for me to hop. That's my problem. And like it's not like I can just change it. The thing is that like I also work with production servers and they only have VI, right? So if I need to like change something, I just use VI. And it's just all those key bindings, man. Like if I'm going to use like IntelliJ and I use Rust mode, I mean Vim mode, I can use Vim mode. Same here, right? Like I'm using Obsidian here and I have like the Vim key bindings. And it's because like Vim is just too big. That's the issue. Otherwise, man, I would have been so down for Helix. Like with all the good stuff it has, but I just can't switch because of the key bindings. It's just I'm used to it. That's the problem. Sorry, give me a sec. Oh. I will try microcontrollers though. I will say that. Microcontrollers definitely super on board to do that. I can't even drink water properly. Jeez. let's cargo run. Actually, I'm still gonna cheat. What I'm gonna do in this main function is I'm gonna take the arguments. I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did here, which was let args that. Then what else? We won't allow multiple inputs for the time being. So we'll just add this. Cool. Do that. And then we can do a match. So let's do match. How do you do match? Okay. Match args1 dot as string. And so if we get guessing game, then we will do guessing game. Awesome. Otherwise, let me do fn main func. Should be print. Oh, fuck's sake. Fn main func. And if I do that, then I will just print line here. Cool. Yeah, I'll hit a what? I'll complete your parentheses. And then otherwise, what we'll do is if it's main, then do main func. Otherwise, what we'll do is we will print line invalid input. We do that, and then we do args1. Oh, it's ePrint line as an error. That's that. We finish this match with a, I can't seem to type today. And otherwise, we send an OK. Why it's like this, I have no idea. So now if we do cargo run, what did I do wrong this time? Oh, stupid. Okay. Okay. What am I doing wrong here? ePrint line. Dude, I'm getting so many fucking texts, bro. This is awesome. So many people want to hang out tonight. I am super down. It's because it's St. Patrick's Day. You want me to delete the okay? I'll delete it. I'll delete it for you. Oh, it's because they're not. Okay. They're supposed to be commas. Is that why? Yeah. Okay. Here. we can go here. Please specify the program to run. Cool. Cargo run. What is it? Guessing game. Okay. All right. Negvorsa, you get to pick the number. Pick a number. Any number. What is the return type of example versus mine? It's a good question. I was just doing this because this is a new cargo project, and I just want to keep everything within one project. But let's check what the return type is. I don't think there is because it's a main function. So you guessed guess. That's it? Ah, fucking. Okay, let's try OXF. Okay, that's oh, of the other? Oh, you mean like of what I just closed? It is supposed to be a IO result. So that's why the OK, I guess. I don't know. I got this from ChatGPT when I made this function because I wasn't sure. So I'm not actually sure what that's supposed to do. Yeah, I think that's why I had the OK here because of this. As to what that is, I don't really know. So I'm quite new. Result is okay or error. Yeah, that makes sense. So I'm giving an okay then. So I'm returning an okay because it's a result, and result has to be okay or error. And the type of this is parentheses, which I assume is just another way of saying a null object, or like just a null object, or whatever it is. And so I'm giving an okay with that object. It's a unit. Huh. Implicit return type. Huh. Oh. So, like void functions in C++ or C. So, when I have a main function that's not really doing anything, right? Like for example, if I had this program and it just so happened to be a void function. Actually, let me see if there's another void function. Okay, this parse instruction. Is it correct to say that this thing is the same as this? Is that a correct statement? Like this and this are the same. I did not know that. Thank you, Negvorsa. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. I did not know that. Cool, cool. We're slowly learning. We're slowly learning. Sorry if this is really boring your mind. But yeah, thank you. Oh, sorry, give me a sec. 2 seconds. Oh my goodness, man. My allergies are starting to hit big time. Like, I'm starting to get a stuffed nose and everything. But, yeah. Secret number should be different every game. There's a random number with the rand crate. Okay, so let's do nvim cargo.toml. Let's add rand. What was it? Equals 0.8.5. Cool. Do that. Okay. Semantic versioning. Yeah, I know what that is. Oh, really? Okay. Cargo add rand. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Okay. Build a project using cargo build. Okay. Cargo fetches the latest versions of everything. Dependency section. Okay. Really run cargo build again. Cool. Okay. Trivial change, yeah. Cool. Ensuring reproducible builds. Cargo log file. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so cargo lock is important. Okay. Cargo lock is important for reproducible builds. That makes sense. Updating a crate to get a new version. Update. Okay, so you have to do this manually. It's I don't know if I like that. Chapter 14. What is chapter 14? Okay, just literally more about cargo and crates. Generating a random number. Okay, cool. Let secret number equals okay, so we do that. First we add the use RNG. Sorry, give me a second. Sorry about that. It's just fucking allergies, bro. Let's see. G trait defines methods. Okay. It's plural. Trait must be in scope for these methods to use. Cover traits in detail. Okay. Spring flower or what? I don't know, man. It just started today. Like today, I woke up and like it wasn't. This didn't happen yesterday. Today I woke up. I sneezed like 5 times in a row. Like achoo, achoo, bro, 5 times. And then in the office, randomly I get back from lunch, and I just keep sneezing and sneezing and sneezing. And I sneezed like 5 times in a row as well. I was in the office. I was like, what is going on? Totally random. No idea. But yeah, that was yeah, I don't know, man. It's kind of insane, dude. And I'm not usually allergic to things, but I don't know. It's hitting me hard today for some reason. So generate method. Okay. Thread RNG. One that is local to the current thread of execution seeded by the operating system. Okay. Gen range. OMG trait. Inclusive. Upper bound. Okay. 1 to equals 10. Okay. Huh. Let's check this out. Cargo dock open. Oh, that's lit. And it's locally scoped. Rand. That is so fucking cool. Jeez. That is really cool. Damn, that is cool. Okay. Rust book. Oh, so this is my crate. Okay. That is cool, man. That is so cool. I dig this. Sorry. Give me a sec. I'm sorry. I'm dying out here, fellas. It's not good, mate. It's not good, mate. Not good. Second new line prints the secret number. What? Did I fail to... Oh, what? That is so dumb. Okay. Okay. Code does not compile. Okay. Let me guess why though. So we have ordering, copy ordering, snippet, you guessed guess, match guess secret number, less too small, greater, equal. You win. Huh. Why doesn't this work? Guess dot CMP. Let's find this out. Why? I want to find this out. Oh, that's not what I wanted. CMP Rust. CMP compare, not not B copy. I don't understand. CMP compare. Huh. CMP compare Rust. What? I don't understand your comment, Nekvorsa. I'm very sorry. Let's see here. Oh, compare. Oh, yeah. My bad. I definitely said copy. So guess compare secret number. Okay, wait. Actually, Negvorsa, why don't you think this works? I have a feeling it has something to do with this ampersand. And my guess, okay, this is my very, very naive guess, is that somehow you can only do this on one of these. And so if it compares and it's not less and it matches, then something about ownership is gone. Is that why? I don't actually understand why this wouldn't work. Oh, never mind. Let me see the code. Let me see where this is at. Why is this compare not? Why do you think it doesn't work? I wanna know what you think. Ordering type less greater equal. Okay. Compare method compares two values. Code not complete. What do you mean? What's missing? Oh. Because it's not comparing. Oh, okay. It's not comparing it to anything. Right? That makes sense. My dumb loop reading value. Never mind. No, you're comparing guess with that loop reading value. Is it because like you take secret number, you compare to this, and it's like you're not supposed to do that? You're using guess in the compare. Oh. I see what you mean. Takes a reference wherever you want to. Here's comparing guess. We use a match expression to decide what to do next based on which variant of ordering was returned from the call to compare. The values guess and secret number. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I guess here, because there's only three variants, this is fine. But if you're like a string, you need to have that underscore, like the arguments, right? Yeah. Okay. See, stir, compare. Okay. Um. Mismatched types. Oh. Oh. Fucking. Are you serious? Is that. Is that why, mate? That was a lot less anti. That was way more anticlimactic than I was thinking. Okay. Cargo run. Guessing. Game. String and integer. Yeah. Declared use of ordering. Oh, my bad. I should have used uh, SCD compare ordering. I should go here. Again, dude. I am just not on it today. Okay, so it's just a mismatch types. Cool. You read this. Expected struct string. Found an integer. Okay. I32, U32, I64, yeah. Makes sense. So you want to let guess U32 equal, I guess we don't need this stuff, right? U32 equals, oh, never mind. What the hell? We're just reassigning that. Let guess. I mean, what's the fucking point? I don't know. Let guess U32 equal guess dot trim dot parse dot expect. Please input a number. Cool. And now maybe that works. Give me a number. Neg Vorsa. You got a 1% chance, man. Give me a random number from 1 to 100. 0xff. Is this because there's a overflow? Or is it just because... No, I didn't. What if I do... Okay. 255. Unfortunately, it is too big. I'm wondering why it doesn't take your hexadecimal. Maybe the way you input hexadecimal is by like stating it in the code. Let's do 1 to 100. See if you can get it. I'll pick a random one. 69. Nope. 13? Alright, let's try 13. Fuck. See how many tries it takes. Wait, let's see. Too big. Too big. Too big. Oh, so it's deterministic. Okay. So we know it's bigger than 13, less than 50. Let's see how many guesses it takes us. Should we do some binary search to find the number? Should we start with 29? All right, let's see. It will change every EXE. I'm not sure, man. Oh, you're right. I thought I was being clever. I'm just dumb. You are right. I thought it had something to do with like the seed being the same every time. But yeah. That is my bad. That is dumb for myself. Yeah, this proved it. I thought the whole time I was like tripping, dude. Sorry. No, it's definitely not the same. It is not the same. Look at this. I was just confused because I put 50. See, 13, too small, too small, too small. Sure, too small. 50, too big, too big, too big, too big. Like 4 times, you know? Like you see these, right? And I was just like, damn, dude. And then you see it again, too big. Correct ways to use a loop. Yeah, 100%. Because you're always getting a different one. It's kind of funny how it took this iteration to kind of realize that it's different on every run. Yeah, totally agree with you. It's a loop. I guess the odds were just very kind of screwed me over. Let's see what the odds of this were. I want to actually calculate the odds of this happening real quick. So, okay. Let's actually calculate this. This is actually pretty hilarious. What were the odds of this happening? So I just need to prove to myself I wasn't insane. What were the odds of this happening? Okay, let's check. So yeah, calculator. So we have a 0.87 times 0.87, right? That's 2. We got 3, 4. Okay, so 2 more. Times 0.87 times 0.87. Oh my god. I cannot. Zero. Symbolab, because I can't type. So what is 0.87 to the power of, how many times does this happen? 1, 2, 3, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 times 0.5 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not insane. What were the odds of this? Better odds than us actually getting the guess, actually. Go figure. It's pretty funny. Yeah, a little bit. It's fun, though. It's fun. I think it's a fun project or a fun thing to work on. Unfortunately, I don't really work. I work in financial systems, but I don't actually do statistics. That's a lie. I do statistics. I just do statistics on the performance of our systems. I don't actually do statistics on like the market or anything. Like I don't do that stuff. I just work in like a data processing system kind of. That's what I do. But stats is fun. Stats is fun. All right. So create it. Yeah, shadowing. Let's reuse that. Okay. Is far from a bathroom. My office is far from. You mean my actual office? Unfortunately, I am very close to the bathroom. But there's like a hallway though before you go into the bathroom, so it's not that bad. I think, yeah. I abuse the bathroom a bit. Not gonna lie. Any white space at the beginning or end? Yeah. Yeah, the new line character. Yeah, that makes sense. Trim removes that. Carriage return. What the fuck is that? What the hell? Yeah, I have no idea. I think it has to be because of 13. Yeah, why doesn't this work? Please enter a number. Let's you enter set decimal in Rust. From Radix. Ah, yeah. Fucking. All right, let's give it one more shot. Let's do 13. I want to get a too big. There we go. Nice. We finally got it. All right, that was worth it. We got a 13 too big. Read parse doc. Let's check it out. Rust parse. Stir parse. Parse dot unwrap. Okay. J. Nope. Is ASCII. Fuck that. ASCII uppercase. Let's check. Okay, let's check here. So scroll up to hex. Parse. Huh. From Radix. Is that why? From Stir Radix. That's probably why. Let's check. SRC / guessing game. Let's check. From Stir Radix. Oh, that's dumb. It's not here. Should be U32 from Stir Radix. And then here, we close that. Let's try again. Especially U32 found parse and error. Clearly, I'm not doing something right. Oh, that's why. 16. Ah, I do not understand Rust right now. I am lost, mate. Okay, let's read the error. Let's read the error. Let's see what is wrong with this. Delete parse. Okay, let's do that. Let's comment this bad boy out. Let guess equal U32 from stir radix guess.trim. 16. Is that why? Okay. I need to do an unwrap somewhere. Is it here? Dot unwrap. Alright, it's in guess. Okay. Ah, fuck's sake. Just doing some back and forth. Invalid digit. At least we're progressing. Huh. Should be here. I'm clearly doing something wrong. Also, I don't know what time it is for you, but I might go to bed soon just because I have work tomorrow. And it's 1 a.m. So I'll just finish this chapter and call it, honestly. Parse method will only work on characters that can be. Thank you, Negvorsa. I appreciate you coming in. Yeah, coming in, man. This was very enjoyable. Thank you very much, man. Uh, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Parse returns in. That makes sense. Okay. Let's fix this by commenting this. Uh, what is wrong here? Oh. Okay. Adding a loop, yeah. I am definitely. So we want to keep looping. Okay. Loop. We want to put this in here. Grab everything in here. Put it in here. Everything here. Shift it. Okay. Let's try this out. 50. 75. 87. Okay. Let's try 81. 83. 82. Sick. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. So we can go here. And then open a new thing. Break. Just that here. Do a colon. That goes away. Okay, let's try that. Cargo run 50, 25, 37, 31. Alright, cool. And it stops. Awesome. Handling invalid input. To further refine the game's behavior rather than crashing the program. Oh, that's cool. Dot parse. Okay. Dot parse. Where. Okay, num makes you just. Oh, it does a num. And then an error. Or an error, right? That's what they call it. Yeah, an error with anything. Just continue? I don't understand that. Oh, sorry guys. I'm just all over the place. Whoa. Not expecting this to kick me back. We're here. Okay. Continue. Um, okay. Yeah. Got you. So it continues. Oh, okay. So just it doesn't even it just stops and it just continues the loop. Got you. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. There's no quiz for this? Really? Oh, okay. No quizzes. Got you. All right. Well, in that case, let me make sure this works. Cargo run guessing game. Guess it does not work. Good thing I checked. Uh, parse. Okay. Um, oh, okay, because it's supposed to be match. That's why. And then after the match. Got you. Okay. After the match, we will go right here. Cargo run. 13. Oh, it's too big. 6. Wow. Cool. All right. Well, in that case, let me just grab the stuff. Who's this LQ? I don't know what that's doing there. I don't know why this is hanging for so long. Okay. Lazy Git. Okay, we'll commit that and say complete chapter 2 guessing game. Awesome. Well, guys, thank you so much for the stream. Sorry I only went through 2 chapters, but you know, we'll make the most out of it. But thank you, guys. Thank you, Negvorsa, for tuning in. I really appreciate it, man. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope to stream more now. Now I don't have any excuses. Before I would just lie on the couch, but now I got myself a green screen. You can see it's gonna. But yeah, so thank you guys very much for tuning into the stream. I hope you guys have a lovely time and yeah, have a good one.